Hello there, my name's Tracy Ilsom and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator based in Canada, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you very quickly how I turn a simple note card into a gift tag and a gift card envelope. So this is a note card that came with this paper pumpkin kit from May 2019. It was a gorgeous kit, and I happen to have one of these note cards left over, so I thought I would just use it to show you how I would make the gift card holder. So this card is 7 inches by 5 inches and it is scored at 3.5, so any note card that size would work, or you could just create your own. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to very simply cut 2 inches off the note card. So that gives me one piece, 2 pieces. There's a gift tag. Just punch a hole in it, put some twine or some ribbon on it, and you have a note card. Now for my gift card holder, I am going to score it at 1/4 inch. I'm going to turn it round and score again at 1/4 inch. And then once I've folded it, take my paper snips and I'm going to cut a little V just out of the edge there by the fold. Then I'm going to cut straight up that line to the V. So basically I've cut the V out of the piece that I want to be the front of my gift card holder. So that's what I've done. Just like that. Now using a bone folder, I'm going to burnish, sharpen those creases. Grab some tear and tape. Hopefully it will last to the end. Piece of tear and tape on that one. Piece of tear and tape on that one. So I've tear and tape down both of those folded pieces. I'm going to trim that down just a little bit, and then this tear and tape came with a paper pumpkin kit slightly over 1/4 inch, so I'm just going to roll it backwards so that it sticks onto the existing glue there. Take this one off eventually. There we go. And again, I'm just going to roll that adhesive round so that it doesn't stick out once I've put this together. Like that. And then all I do is fold that piece over. And I have a gift card holder. And just to prove it works, there's a gift card, there's a pocket. Now, if I happen to have the 1 inch punch with me, which I don't have it to hand, I would punch a little notch out of there to help me get the gift card in and out. But there's the basic gift card holder. That would be a tag for a gift as well, from one simple note card. So next time you have some note cards left over, or you find a plain one, you don't know what to do with it, you could decorate it up and then trim it like this to make a gift card holder and a tag out of one item, and they coordinate beautifully. So this particular set coordinates with the Free as a Bird stamp set, so I could create more of these very similar just using that stamp set if I choose to. So I hope that's been useful and gives you an idea of some other things that you can do with your paper crafting products. So if there's any information you need, do contact me. You can leave a message in the information box below. Otherwise, go to my YouTube channel and subscribe there, or you can follow my blog. I have daily paper crafting tips and inspiration and ideas over on my blog, and that's at www.papercraftwithme.com. So until then, thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.